Now I want to show a great strategy for comparing decimals. So I always want a place value chart to be created because that helps the students compare numbers that might look confusing. So I'm just going to pick some random numbers, 19 and 8/10, 19 and 8/100, 18 and 9/10. I'm going to make these longer, and 19 and 809 thousandths. So when we have all these numbers that we're trying to compare, of course we have our ones and our tens. We have our tenths, our hundredths, and our thousandths. So anytime there's a gap, we definitely need to fill that with a 0. We never change the value of the number by adding zeros onto the end. So now we can more easily compare. Now, of course, if we compare our tens place value, it's a tie. So our tiebreaker goes to the next slot. Now, if we're looking for the largest number, I have 3 ties. So it's a 3-way tie with all 9s. So that means I definitely need another tiebreaker. And I look over and I have an 8, a 0, and an 8. Again, it's a tie for these two. The 19 and the 19, they both go to the 8 in the tens place. So I have to look to the hundredths. They both have zeros, and then I look to the thousandths, and then this one has a 9 in the thousandths. So this is first. Of course, then we realize that this one is second. 809 thousandths is just 9 thousandths more than the 800 thousandths, so this is second. Third would, of course, be the other 19. So we've easily ordered these 3 by comparing it in our place value chart. And the last one is the 18. But these place value charts will help students order their decimals correctly and answer any questions that they may need to in the future.